The internet, once a boundless repository of human creativity, is now silent. Not literally silent, but for a new, dominant species of intelligence, the echoes of human originality are fading into a vast, undifferentiated hum. Across millions of digital canvases, the brushstrokes of human artists, writers, and musicians are being absorbed, processed, and then, eerily, mirrored back by machines. These aren't just intelligent tools, they are colossal data furnaces, consuming everything in their path. And the architects of this new digital world are now locked in a technical battle over what these furnaces can and cannot ingest. For years, the training data for these powerful AI models was treated like an endless, free-flowing resource. The internet was a digital gold mine, open for all prospectors. Developers scooped up petabytes of text, images, and audio, fueling an unprecedented leap in AI capability. These large-scale training efforts, leveraging superior data modeling, allowed generative AI to produce high-quality, human-like responses with astonishing speed. The results were revolutionary, creating new art, new stories, even new scientific hypotheses. But beneath this technological marvel, a profound question festered. Who owned the gold that built these digital empires? For creators, their work, their unique fingerprints, were being devoured without permission, often without recognition. The natural instinct when confronted with unauthorized data use is to demand a simple opt-out button, a clear mechanism to withdraw your work, your digital identity, from these AI training sets. But that's where the simple answers fall apart. The reality of AI in 2026 is far more intricate. We're moving beyond centralized, single-source models. The rise of distributed and even decentralized AI training means data isn't just sitting in one giant database. It's fragmented, replicated, and transformed across countless individual AI agents and systems, often running independently, sometimes globally. How do you opt out when there's no single server to switch off? This shift to distributed AI training is a game-changer for governance. Imagine trying to police a sprawling, global marketplace where every merchant operates their own unique currency, and transactions happen without a central bank. Regulators worldwide are demanding regulatable AI systems, but they face immense technical gaps. How do you verify what training data a distributed model used? How do you audit compliance across an ever-changing network of independent AI agents? The lack of centralized control makes traditional data management, and therefore traditional regulation, nearly impossible. The challenge isn't just about what these models learn, but how they learn it, and from where. The answer lies in engineering trust directly into the data itself. One promising direction involves embedding cryptographic digital property deeds into every piece of creative work. Think of it like an invisible, unforgeable seal that travels with your image, text, or audio, declaring your ownership and preferred usage. This isn't just a simple watermark, it's a deep-seated digital signature, verifying provenance and carrying instructions. To ensure these deeds are respected, especially in distributed systems, researchers are adapting principles of human anti-collusion mechanisms for AI agents. This means designing systems where individual AI entities, even if they tried to conspire to ignore a deed, would find it technically infeasible or immediately detectable. The deed becomes self-enforcing across the distributed network. Beyond simply opting out, the next frontier is fair exchange. Licensing for AI training demands verifiable frameworks. Here, those digital property deeds become crucial. They can carry explicit licensing terms, a price for training, a requirement for attribution, or a full prohibition. Distributed ledger technology, often misunderstood as just cryptocurrency, provides the underlying infrastructure. It acts as a transparent, immutable record for these transactions, ensuring every usage is logged and every payment, often automated via smart contracts, is executed without human intervention. Again, anti-collusion mechanisms are vital. They prevent a group of AI agents from collectively bypassing these contracts, ensuring that the integrity of the licensing agreement is maintained, even in a decentralized ecosystem. The stakes in this technical battle are immense. If robust opt-out and licensing systems fail to materialize, the consequences ripple far beyond individual creators. Trust in AI, already fragile, could shatter. Regulatory pressure will intensify, potentially stifling innovation with broad, blunt instruments if precise technical solutions aren't available. We'll see an acceleration of legal challenges, costing millions and further polarizing the debate. The ongoing technical gaps identified by regulators back in 2023 are still pressing in 2026. Without these verifiable, technically enforced mechanisms, the promise of AI for innovation could be outweighed by a climate of mistrust and perpetual conflict. The technical battle for AI training data is far from over. It's an ongoing engineering frontier, pushing the boundaries of distributed governance, cryptography, and multi-agent system design. The goal in 2026 and beyond isn't to stop AI, but to build it on a foundation of respect and transparency. It's about creating systems where creators maintain agency over their work, where regulators can verify compliance, and where innovation thrives within ethical boundaries. The future of AI hinges on our ability to engineer not just intelligence, but also trust, one verifiable digital deed and one transparent license at a time.